Good day, this is the demo video for Budgie, and this is the first page that you will see as soon as you open the app. So we're currently running it on the emulator for the Pixel 9, and as soon as you open it, you are greeted by our mascot, Ivan. Ivan is animated in the documentation, but because this is part of gamification, he will be ready in part 3. So for now, he's a bit of a work in progress. First things first, this is a blank database, so you will notice that if you do not have an account, it will not let you in. So if you want to use Budgie, you're going to have to register an account, so you will have a unique username. John, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we've registered an account, we can remove Tony because John is here now. And now we can log in. So Budgie works on an account-based system. So you're budgeting for each bank account that you run. So for now, because this is our first login, we don't have any accounts, but that is alright. We're just going to make a savings account very quickly. And in our savings account, we're going to give it 15,000. So we currently have 15,000 Rand, and now we actually want to be able to budget it. So we're going to click here. First thing is we will have to set a minimum and a maximum budget. So I don't want to spend more than, I don't want to spend less than 5,000 Rand, and I don't want to spend more than, let's say, 8,000. Set our budget range. So it's going to create a category for us, and this is just a general category, and this is our category streams. So for now, this category has 5,000 Rand, which is taken from our minimum budget, but we want another category, and I want to use this specifically for, let's say, dog. I have an entire category dedicated to my dog, and I don't want to spend more than 1,200 Rand on my dog every month. Okay. So now we have this new category, and this is how everything works. So I can go into each category and it will give me a more of a breakdown, and I can change the settings of it as well. Animated Ivan will also be here, and he's pretty much just here to make sure that you're not overspending or anything. So now we want to add an expense. So let's open up the expense screen. So now we need to select a category. So I'm going to spend some money on the dog, and I will get it, I don't know, dog food. So dog food is expensive, so we spent 750 Rand on dog food, and I purchased it on this day. So now what we can do is we can add a picture. So for now, because we're using the emulator, we haven't moved it onto the official app, we're just going to go into the folders. But it is also possible, so we're just using here for the downloads. So we're just going to use the pictures for now. So I'm just going to put a random picture here, and then if I don't want to use that picture, we're just going to do this. So the reason we just have it like this for now is because with the emulator, we obviously don't have a camera. So now that I have an expense saved, I can go and I can actually view my expenses. So these are all my expenses that I have. So I've currently listed all, but I can also select a period, and I can select a start date. So I want to know what I did from Wednesday to Friday. It's disappeared because we didn't have that expense on Wednesday. We had it on Monday the 6th. And let's say I just want to see from general categories, it will also disappear. And I want to see from dog categories, this is how much I spend on dog food. And then we can sort it from oldest to newest. Cool. So we can go back and we can add another expense. This one will be general, and we're going to have milk. And I spent $50 on milk. It's very expensive milk. And going to have it on that day, or Saturday, grocery shopping on Saturday, and add a picture to it, and it will show up here as well. So we can also go back to categories doing this. That works cleanly. Reports is currently not created yet, as it is for part 3. And we can go to our profile. So yes, so far that is what is available for each category. And there we go.